Hey guys, it's Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're looking at the difference between a budget pool cleaner, such as the Dolphin Cayman, and a premium model, such as the Dolphin Sigma, so you can decide which meets your needs the best. We could pick apart all the differences between a premium and a budget robotic pool cleaner, but we figured it would be best to lay out the two major areas where you will notice the biggest differences: cleaning ability and cleaning options. When it comes to cleaning ability, there are several things that earn a premium model its name. With typical budget options such as the Cayman, they only have one brush, and while they may be able to clean the walls of your pool, they lack the ability to clean the waterline. These are two important differences, because the second brush doubles the amount of scrubbing power. And in the case of the Sigma, its split spinning brush adds maneuverability as well. The lack of waterline cleaning on budget cleaners is also a huge difference because the waterline is the dirtiest part of your pool, which means without this feature, you'll be left to manually scrub it. Luckily, premium models, such as the Dolphin Sigma and Dolphin Premier, can consistently reach the waterline thanks to their dual stabilizers. And in the case of the Sigma, an onboard gyroscope. Now let's turn to the major differences in cleaning options. Firstly, let's look at cleaning cycles. Many budget pool cleaners, like the Cayman, now include the ability to set a weekly timer for your pool cleanings, which you are very happy to see, especially at this price point. But the premium robotic pool cleaners include this and several other options that make all the difference. For instance, the Sigma is Wi-Fi enabled, and when you connect it to your smartphone, you can choose when the robot starts, if it cleans the walls, floor, or everything, and how long it cleans for. This functionality allows you to clean exactly how you need without wasted time and electricity. The second piece of cleaning options is filter types. Budget cleaners typically offer only a fine filter cartridge, which does an okay job getting a little bit of everything. But premium models typically offer an extra ultra-fine cartridge that will clean out all the tiny particles that are making your water cloudy. The Premier, another premium model, even offers multimedia, which is an option of 4 filter types so you can really clean your pool, no matter what it needs. So when browsing for your robotic pool cleaner, keep in mind that while a budget model may be able to provide a mostly satisfactory clean, premium models such as the Dolphin Sigma offer tons of extra cleaning power and options, allowing it to do all of the cleaning for you. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about the Dolphin Cayman and Sigma and dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website and YouTube to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.